Today is Monday, February 3rd, 2020, and I'm at 5760 Benjestown Road. Standing on a 30-year laminated shingle. We have one layer with felt, does not have drip edge. We have 812s and 1712s. I'm going to start here on the front slope at the left end. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 creased teeth, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see some of these are in halfway up, where our bonding strip was still holding. We see very small signs of transference here. If I can get in close on these. Again, very small signs of transference. Some of them, they're a little larger on the corners. 8 and 9 here on the front. Don't see anything here on the left slope of the front middle offset. On the right slope we have 1, 2, 3 creased teeth, 1 missing here. We can see just how high nailed this shingle is. It's multiple inches there. Left slope of our right end offset, we have, this does appear to face north, and we have 1 broken tooth here. We don't typically get storms from the north. We do have 1 broken right above this ridge, where I'm going to step up. The right end slope, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing half shingles here. 1 creased tooth here. 1 creased tooth here, right beside our ridge, or right below our ridge rather. So for a total of 9 here, because there's actually a 3rd one there. Again, right on the ridge. Actually, I see a 10th one. So 10 here. And these shingles are in 2 separate sections from that high nailing pattern. We're seeing the bottom section separate. Exposed fasteners at almost every single protrusion. I'll show something here. Back right offset. Should be able to get around. You can see our sidewalls are skylight sealed. Sealant placed along these wall lines, right where eve intersects. Excuse me. Part of the reason is we do not have step flashing on the second layer, at least at this back left. I'm guessing at our chimney as well. It does not appear that we have step flashing again installed on this second layer. It's all reliant on the first layer of step flashing. You can see that separation there, here on the right end. And the bottom section is slid out. That bonding strip in between the 2 sections of shingle has given, expanded, contracted enough, and then we don't have a fastener holding it. Gravity plus wind, and we see those sliding out. With the pitch of this, it's probably mostly gravity. But again, sealant here applied, and then after that expands and contracts, you're left with the same points of entry. Sometimes even worse, as that sealant can actually dam them back up and kick it back behind. Again, we see the same thing here at the chimney. Exposed fasteners at these protrusions. We do have 1 creased tooth here on the back slope. Our fastener is actually backing out here. We do not have soffit vents as well. And we have 1, 2. These look like an install thing, but 1, 2, so a total for 3 here on the back. And don't see anything here on the back slope at the left end. Odds are we have integrity left in the shingles. We just have, from wall flashings to our nailing pattern, install airs that are shining through. But that is the roof, and that will conclude this inspection.